we are assembling the carrot card. So I have these two pieces here with tabs on them that make up the box of the card. And I'm going to start by gluing one side of this together. And you just want to take it right up to that line. Then we can set that aside for a minute and work on our insert. So I'll just start by putting his steering wheel on. I'm going to put glue just around there and put a little bit at the top of the head here. There we are. And I'm going to pop this with some foam tape. One piece will do on this one. A little bit high. I'm going to glue one hand kind of behind him, but in front of the steering wheel. Just like that. And then we can go ahead and insert this piece. And with our card and the side here, my tabs are straight out. I'm just going to lay this flat against it and glue this tab here. And then I'm going to take, with this side flat on the table, I'm going to take this side over and glue this side here to this tab. I'm just going to make sure that it lines up well. I'm going to fold this both ways. And then close it up. And again, just fold it both ways so that it gets used to it. I'll flip it over. I'm going to take these squares and glue them together. This is for my sentiment on the back. Excuse me. Okay, now I'm going to put my wheels together. Okay, so before you put the wheels on, we need to put the front piece on. And I'm just gonna take it to about there. And then this, we're just going to glue right there. So I'm just going to glue the tip here. Just put it right in there, just like that. And then And there is the carrot car box card. Thank you for joining me.